Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. In today's video, we will again take a look at this big breakout from this down channel, and we will also watch this breakout from this falling wedge pattern and the formation of a new descending triangle on this 4-hourly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this 4-hourly time frame chart. And recently we have seen that the price line broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, retested the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, and still it is moving sideways here. And this was the support that I have been telling you, that this is the lifeline for SLP token, because if it will be broken down, we can move down to 1 cent. That is the last support, and you can see that the price line tested the support here, here, and here, and here again, and once again we are at this support. Now, for example, if the price line moves up from here, however, we have found another resistance. Let me show you that resistance first, then I'll tell you what can be our next price level resistance, and that is the downtrend line resistance. We have rejection here, we have a rejection here, and few more rejections here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is our final rejection we had few hours back. And you can see this is the formation of another descending triangle. Support is there, exactly there where we have this 1.75 cent support, and you can see that the price line is moving between the resistance and support of this descending triangle now. And we can observe that the movement of the price line is getting more and more squeezed as we are reaching the end of the triangle, and the triangle is also squeezed, so it can break out or break down the resistance or support at any time. We have already broken out the resistance of the falling wedge. We are having very nice support of 1.75 cents. Therefore, I'm expecting that we can break out this triangle very soon. For example, if we are going to break out this triangle, then our target to the upside after this breakout can be here, approximately 2.7 cents. Our next price resistance is at 2.45 cents. So after breaking out this triangle, we can also break out the next resistance of 2.45 cents, and then we will have the next resistance here at 3.2 cents, and we will have another resistance at 4 cents. That is also the final target of this falling wedge pattern as well, after this breakout that we had from this falling wedge pattern. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then we have already broken out a very long-term resistance of this down channel, and you can see that we had some accumulation here at 1.75 cents, this support that I was showing you on this 4-hourly time frame chart, where we have the support of this triangle as well. And after this accumulation, we moved down again, we moved up again, and again, if we take a look at the 4-hourly time frame chart, then before this breakout, we tested the support once again, and after testing the support of 1.75 cents, we broke out the resistance of this down channel. So far, we did not break this resistance of the down channel as a support, and we are having a very nice accumulation above this resistance, and we are again, while testing this resistance as a support, we are again reached the support of 1.75 cents, and we are already we have already seen that we are at the end of the triangle. So I'm expecting that we are going to break out this resistance of the triangle very soon, because you can see that for the past several days we are having this accumulation above this resistance of the channel. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.